like to acquire a successful startup instead of a good idea, because um, the execution is way more important. And when you got an idea, a lot of people in the world may have similar ideas, but the most important is the execution and the real thing, the building of profit and the components of success. So there is a lot of things involved, and the big companies would like to acquire the successful startup rather than steal your idea and start working on it, because there are a lot of things involved, like market response, the effort, the success rate, the community, a lot of things are going on. So now you might be wondering, what are things which big companies cannot do and that you can do, and you should think about it because this will protect your startup idea, because what you can do and big companies cannot do will definitely protect you. And one thing is that with the rise of AI, they have developed these AI models which kind of reducing the number of employees in every company. And since big companies have a lot of targets, they are playing on the bigger table. So what you should do is that you should charge per task instead of per employee. And this is one secret I want you to share with you. And if you do these strategies, which big companies cannot do, you will definitely protect your idea, because no one can compete your pricing, no one can compete the way you can deliver. So definitely, you should think in a way that what big companies cannot do, and you should do those things to protect your startup ideas, so they will become your strength. Another thing which is I noticed that sometime you can have and you should have is some scarce thing, like you have some exclusive partnership, you have some exclusive government contracts which take years to be happen. You have a data collected which is unique. Maybe you have trained your own AI models, and these are the things you can do. And I can give you a practical example. For example, let's look at the person. They have a small team and they can do and live fast. So what they were shipping components on daily basis, while big companies like Microsoft and Google, they do slowly, because there are so many legalities, there are so many steps involved, there are so many people involved in decision making. So there could be a situation when someone will copy your idea. What you do in that case, and what you can do is that you can expose them. You can control the narrative. Maybe you can recall the Peak Design story and how they congratulate Amazon on copying their ideas, and also they showed the quality differences they have with their bags, and the people who were copying their idea, they actually show the difference and also expose this. So when people saw this, they were obviously on the right side. Another thing which I want to discuss is that legal stuff actually matters. They can protect some part of your ideas, and we have discussed like trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, patents. These are only useful for them. And the modes we have discussed, which are definitely helpful for you, like network effects, like speed, like the customer inside your data, all that kind of stuff we have discussed. But the most important thing is that your execution. If you're executing in the right way, you will be successful. So, what you should do, you should build something which people love. And if you have built something and you have a community and you're building it public, and you are using all the right approaches like network effect, like scalability, like understanding your customer, like moving fast, then you will definitely be successful.